Thinking about using a portable SSQ II machine in a factory environment? Here are the pros and cons of running NewTek Machinery's SSQ II as an in-plant machine. This is Tom from NewTek Machinery. In this video, we're reviewing the pros and cons of using the SSQ II MultiPro portable panel machine in an in-plant manufacturing environment. Let's get into it. First up, let's discuss the advantages of using an SSQ II machine in an in-plant setup. First, cost savings. The SSQ II can help reduce the upfront investment cost compared to larger in-plant machines while still making high-quality panels. Second, flexibility. You can run the machine in a shop now and move it onto a trailer later if needed. This makes it easier to adapt as your business grows. Some customers leave the machine on a trailer even for an in-plant production environment, just in case the need arises to transport it to a job site. Third, shop floor space. The SSQ II's smaller footprint compared to larger in-plant roll formers helps conserve valuable floor space. And finally, faster changeover times. Another great benefit of the SSQ II machine is its faster changeover times. With standard in-plant machine setups, changing profiles can be a time-consuming pain, sometimes taking several days. Now, for the limitations of using the SSQ II in an in-plant environment. First off, it's not a traditional in-plant machine. The SSQ II is a portable roll former. While it works in a factory setup, it's not designed with the same output capacity as larger stationary machines that can easily cost upward of $1 million. The SSQ II rollers could wear out quicker than traditional in-plant setups that feature hard chromed rollers and heavier duty components. The trade-off is that you're still getting quality panels with the industry's best portable roof panel machine, but at a slower production rate. Second, speed output. The SSQ II can produce panels up to 75 feet per minute, less than half the speed of the large in-plant roll formers. So if speed is your #1 requirement and high price isn't an obstacle, an in-plant machine may be a better option for you. So what is the SSQ II MultiPro? It's NewTek Machinery's flagship and most popular panel machine, which can be used for both in-plant and on-site panel fabrication. You can run up to 16 optional profiles with polyurethane drive rollers, a hydraulic drive and shear, and with speeds up to 75 feet per minute. Profiles are each sold separately. It handles coil widths from 15 to 30 inches for a finished panel between 12 and 24 inches wide, depending on the profile you're trying to produce. It also features UL-compliant panels, push-button exit and entry end controls, or our optional unique programmable computer controller, and a power interruption safety circuit. You can power it with a gas or electric quick change power pack and add options like notching, extra reels, or the unique computer controller I just mentioned. To see the full breakdown and learn more about in-plant use of the SSQ II, click the link right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.